This iPhone 11 came into us totally dead and only drawing 40 milliamps when plugged into charge. When we open it up, plug it in and switch to the thermal camera view, we can see a heat source which confirms there is a problem with the phone's motherboard. So I have to remove it from the chassis and cook it at 180 degrees to separate the layers. I can now plug the board into the life support machine and the jump in consumption tells me instantly the problem is close. And the heat source around the U3100 chip tells me that the short is on the VDD boost line. I inject 1 volt directly into VDD boost, which leads me to this slightly burnt out capacitor at the very top of the board. I protect the phone's CPU with a couple of copper coins so we don't cook that, then using hot air to melt the solder and tweezers to pull out the bad capacitor. I then add a little bit of flux and install a replacement cap from a donor board and secure it into place with the hot air gun. Now I can reassemble the board using the same cooking technique as before, but in reverse, reinstall the board into the phone, connect the screen and connect the power, and once the phone boots up we can see that we've got no data loss and the phone works without problem.